Today, in this tutorial, we are going to write a JavaScript code within the HTML tag to print a statement 5 times. We can also print the statement as many times that you want. So we're going to learn just a little bit how for loops can assist us to have something like this. Instead of us writing 5 times this, display this, display this, display this, but we're going to use a for loops to print the statement 5 times. Welcome to this tutorial. You can follow me with the Visual Studio Code, or you can use a Notepad or Notepad Plus or any other code editor that you have available into your disposal. So let's move next. So the first thing that we're going to do for our page, we declare this is a doc type HTML, and then we open the tag for HTML, and then we close the tag. And then the next line we're going to move, we're going to declare our body. So we open our body and we close our body. Everything that's going to do is going to be within this body. So we want to run our code. So whatever we're going to use into that statement that's going to be printed into the page must be within the body. Remember to close the tag, of the body. Not only to have an open tag without a closing tag, but you need a closed tag for the body. And then the next thing we're going to do is that way we're going to run now. It's going to be a script, because this is we're using a JavaScript. We're going to make this code into uppercase. So we're going to use the JavaScript code for loops. And then we declare our script, which is going to be there. So open tag for the script and close tag for the script. So as you can see, Video Studio Code is helping us. The script element allow the authors, which is I, to include dynamic script and data block in the document. The element does not represent content for the user. So basically, this when it's going to print, we're not going to see this. You can also check here exactly the same thing. The element represents the content of the user, but here it says the element does not represent the content for the user. So now we have a function. So we create a function. Our function, name of our function is going to be func. So you can change to a different function. We can call it my func. So I'm going to put this on my func. So then we open the bracket and close the bracket over. So whatever is going to be within our function. Then we declare there's 3 things we're going to declare. So we declare our constants. Then we have a variable, the phrase that we're going to print, which is say variable string is going to be I need JavaScript every day. Let's put it every day. Then var or string. So we want this, which is going to be, let's put it in small letter. So I'll make sure it's in small letter. I want this to be printed into capital letter. So I'm going to write everything in small letter. So I need JavaScript every day. And then var string. So I want the string, this, to be converted into uppercase. Then that's where now my for loops for in. So because I want it to be printed 5 times, so I'll say for let I equal, this I can be changed to anything. I can change it to anything. Let's say we can call it P. Let's P, and then here put P. And then I say P as well here. So I say let P equal to 1, and then I want to be P less than equal to N, so it's going to print the number of times 5. Then I increment P every single time until it's going to reach 5. Then that's our statement to print it out. So look at nicely my close bracket. So there's this one, which link to the for loops. Then I have the second one, which link to the function. And here I'm returning my function. So after you finish writing your code, so you need to save your code, and then you run your code. As you can see, say I need JavaScript every day in capital letter 5 times. Let's say we want to print this as a less than 5, and then I remove the equal. So what's going to do, it's going not to print it 5 times, but it's going to print it 4 times. So when we check that 1, 2, 3, 4. Why is it doing so? Because NP it's less than n. So it's going to end just before n, which is 5. So if I say 15 times, it's going to print 14 times I need JavaScript every day. So if you run the code again, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and the last one, which is 14. So it's looking at exactly what is before. So if I change it, equal to, in this case, now it's going to print it 15 times. So as you can see, the result has changed, going to be 15 times. Thank you for watching. You can follow, you can use this code as well on your side and try to play it around with. And yeah, let me know. Like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you.